Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to build a professional, eye-catching website without spending weeks learning code or hiring an expensive designer, you're in the right place. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 AI website builders of 2025 that are revolutionizing the way websites are created. These tools use the power of artificial intelligence to help you build stunning, fully functional sites in just minutes, whether you're starting a personal blog, launching an online store, or growing your business online. AI website builders have come a long way, and in 2025, they're smarter, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. From drag-and-drop simplicity to advanced automation features that generate layouts, content, and even branding elements, these platforms are designed to save you time, money, and frustration. So if you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, stick around because we're about to show you what's possible with just a few clicks. But before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment if you find it helpful, share it with someone who might benefit, and of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tools and strategies to grow your digital empire. Now, let's get started with the countdown. Kicking off our list is Codesign AI, one of the most advanced and user-friendly AI website builders in 2025. With over 2.4 million websites already built using this platform, it's trusted by more than 200,000 creators, entrepreneurs, and small business owners around the world. Codesign allows you to build, host, and export websites effortlessly, all without writing a single line of code. Whether you need a landing page, a full website, a portfolio, or a sales funnel, this platform uses AI to turn simple prompts into beautifully designed, responsive pages in minutes. You can start by simply typing something like "a website for my boutique shop," and Codesign instantly generates a full layout, complete with images, sections, and even SEO-optimized copy, all ready for customization. And it doesn't stop there. With over 5,000 AI templates and 2,000 plus funnel templates, you have full creative control to customize and fine-tune your site using an intuitive, no-code editor. From changing styles and fonts to dragging and dropping new components, everything is smooth, flexible, and beginner-friendly. You can host your site directly on their platform, publish it to WordPress, or even export the full code if you want complete control. Plus, you get real-time analytics, backups, form data collection, and responsive design optimization across all devices. Customers love how easy it is to use, and they rave about the stellar support. In fact, it's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, with glowing testimonials from creators, developers, and founders who say it's the best no-code tool they've ever tried. If you're serious about launching a website or funnel in 2025, Codesign AI offers a lifetime deal for just $97, no monthly fees, no restrictions, and full access to powerful AI tools that save time and boost productivity. And the best part? No credit card is required to get started. There's even a 7-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. From solopreneurs to agencies, Codesign is helping people build faster, smarter, and more effectively than ever before. You'll find the link down in the description. Make sure to grab that 75% discount before it's gone. Now, let's move on to number 2 on our list. Next on our list is the Hostinger AI Website Builder, a powerful all-in-one platform that makes building your dream website incredibly easy, even if you have zero coding experience. With over 4 million users in 150-plus countries and backed by 20-plus years of experience, Hostinger has created a seamless, AI-powered solution that helps you go from idea to published site in just a few clicks. You can get started completely free, no credit card required, and launch your fully functional website or web app using simple prompts. Just describe your vision, and Hostinger's AI will generate a professional design tailored to your style, industry, and brand colors. You can chat directly with the AI to make edits and fine-tune every element. The platform comes packed with built-in tools like the AI Writer for crafting headlines, blog posts, and product descriptions, the AI Image Generator for unique visuals, and the AI SEO Assistant to help you boost visibility and bring in organic traffic. You can even set up a blog and generate expert-level posts in minutes using the AI Blog Generator. Their AI Product Info Generator lets you upload a product image and automatically creates the title, description, and tags, making it a breeze to launch an e-commerce store fast. Plus, you get access to advanced marketing integrations like Google Ads, Metapixel, and Google Analytics. You can even run email campaigns using Hostinger Reach and contact your customers directly through tools like WhatsApp for a smooth experience. Everything is designed to help you grow your business online, and their 24/7 multilingual support team is always ready to help if you need guidance. So if you're looking for a future-ready website builder that blends speed, power, and simplicity, Hostinger AI Website Builder is a strong choice in 2025. You'll find the link to explore Hostinger, along with the latest deals, in the description below. Coming in at number 3 is Render Forest, a powerhouse platform that goes way beyond just website building. It's an all-in-one design and marketing suite, trusted by over 30 million users and more than 100,000 businesses worldwide. With RenderForest's AI website builder, you can create sleek, responsive websites in just minutes. No coding or design experience needed. Whether you're building a landing page, personal portfolio, business site, or online store, their AI handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on your vision. Just describe what you want, and the AI will generate a professionally designed website, complete with optimized layouts, images, and content. From fitness coaches to artists to real estate pros, RenderForest offers ready-to-go templates for virtually every niche. Plus, every site is mobile-friendly and SEO optimized right out of the box. But that's just scratching the surface. RenderForest also gives you access to AI tools for video creation, logo design, mockups, presentations, and social media graphics, all in one dashboard. They even have an AI copywriting wizard that writes and edits your site content, headlines, and product descriptions, making your website both engaging and SEO-friendly. RenderForest is built with marketers in mind, offering integrations with Google Analytics, Metapixel, AdSense, Google Tag Manager, and even SEMrush for keyword research. Plus, it comes packed with over 5 million stock images, GDPR compliance, and support for multilingual websites, so you can scale globally with confidence. And if you're worried about budget, RenderForest delivers incredible value. You can get started absolutely free on a RenderForest subdomain or upgrade to a premium plan starting at just $7 per month for more features, storage, and custom domains. For creators, freelancers, startups, and even larger teams, RenderForest is the perfect choice if you want to manage your entire brand, marketing, and website presence from one place. Number 4. Wix AI Website Builder. If you're looking for a website builder that blends total creative freedom with cutting-edge AI, Wix AI Website Builder should definitely be on your radar. With Wix, you can create a stunning, business-ready website in just minutes. Simply tell the AI what you need, from the type of business to your design preferences, and it will instantly generate a personalized site tailored to your goals. It's as easy as chatting with a virtual assistant. And the best part? You can start completely free, no credit card required. Wix AI goes beyond just building a homepage. It handles your site structure, content, visuals, branding, and even SEO, all within a few clicks. Want to customize? You can refine your site with powerful tools like AI content writing, layout shuffling, section generation, and real-time design editing. Whether you're launching a blog, portfolio, online store, or event site, Wix helps you build it fast and exactly how you envision it. You can start from over 900 plus professionally designed templates, all fully customizable with Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Add anything you need from forms, videos, and testimonials to appointment scheduling, course enrollment, and online payments. It's all built right in. And when it's time to grow your site, Wix has you covered. Their built-in marketing suite includes everything from SEO checklists and email marketing to Google and Facebook ads, social media campaigns, and branded content creation, all powered by AI. You also get robust e-commerce tools that make it easy to manage inventory, shipping, customer communications, and sales, all from a single dashboard. Wix also ensures your site performs at the highest level with multi-cloud hosting, 99.99% uptime, and enterprise-grade security. Every site is built for speed, accessibility, and mobile responsiveness right out of the box. Their premium plans scale with your business, from just $17 a month for basic features up to $159 a month for advanced e-commerce, marketing automation, and developer tools. Every plan includes a free custom domain for 1 year, reliable hosting, 24/7 support, and full access to Wix's growing ecosystem of AI tools. From solopreneurs to small businesses to creative professionals, Wix is more than just a website builder. It's a full digital business platform powered by smart technology and unmatched flexibility. Closing out our countdown is Reloom, an AI-powered site builder built specifically for designers and developers who work in Webflow, Figma, or React. Rather than generating finished pages, Reloom helps you kick off projects by instantly mapping out sitemaps, generating wireframes, and creating a full style guide, all from a few simple prompts. It then lets you copy any of its 1,000 plus real, responsive components directly into Figma, Webflow, or React, so you can move seamlessly from concept to high-fidelity prototype in minutes. Over 700,000 designers and developers already trust Reloom to 10 times their productivity by automating the tedious early stages of web design. Whether you need to scope a new marketing site, lay out a complex page structure, or lock in a design system before diving into production, Reloom's AI site builder handles it in seconds, not hours. When you sign up, you get a 7-day free trial of the full site builder experience, no credit card required. After that, there are 4 plans to fit any workflow. The free plan gives you 1 project, 1 wireframe page, basic AI copywriting, and 30 Webflow components. The starter plan unlocks 5 wireframe pages, unlimited AI copy, and full access to all 1,000 plus Webflow components. Upgrading to Pro removes limits on projects and pages, adds the ability to export wireframes to Figma, Webflow, and React, and includes unlimited AI usage. Finally, the team plan supports 3 or more users, shared workspaces, and all Pro features for streamlined collaboration. For anyone who builds in Webflow or who just wants a lightning-fast way to test site structures, Reloom is a game-changer. And that's a wrap on our list of the top 5 AI website builders in 2025, powerful tools that make building stunning, professional websites easier and faster than ever. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned marketer, these platforms give you everything you need to bring your ideas online without hiring developers or spending weeks on design. From drag-and-drop simplicity to advanced AI automation, the future of web creation is right at your fingertips. If any of these builders caught your eye, you'll find all the links in the description below, so you can explore them further and even try them out for free. Don't forget, many of these tools come with trial options, so there's no risk in seeing which one fits your needs best. Whether you're building a business site, personal brand, e-commerce store, or landing page, there's something on this list for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment to let us know your favorite tool, and share it with someone who's ready to build their next website. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI tools, website builders, and smart ways to grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.